That's still Naija FM 102.7. Morning runs, that's the name of the show. My name is Tirime MC R&B. And as I just talked a couple of minutes back, we get the one and only Fina Final. Yes, for me to call her. May I call her? Me they are like Fino Yans. She did the studio with us right now. Sisterly, welcome.
Thank you very
How
much.
body now?
Body the inside clothes.
Everywhere legit, happy. Bobosi well.
Everywhere they alright.
Now your work. How you coming to Ikoyi today? How the traffic be?
The traffic not today, but the flood, the kind of water you they
gather for everywhere. Now high motor you dey carry now normally, so you're not supposed to stop you. Abi, you don't sell your motor.
I go sell that. I carry that, but then say small cars go still dey road. They don't come.
You don't come jump them pass. You got a pity for them because they on your high level. Anyway, welcome. How life don't be since winning? More start from them. Because I know that music make you come. For those who don't know, Fina get brand new song. Talk. So we go small waka go there. We'll see why Fina decide become musician because we know as hype woman and a reality TV show has made. So how life don't be for you since winning Big Brother?
Well, winning the show.
Yeah.
Life tie rapper, but until say I be a do again. As life say na rapper one time, I tell her say me I fit
Gele
join. You get as the life say one go, I just
follow.
You get we just dey
But since emerging as a Big Brother Naija winner, a lot of arrangement don't follow suit.
Yes.
Like you, I think you be one of the most talked about winner, not just what Dari has made since.
As it should.
Yeah, as it should.
As it should.
Now, so it's supposed to be
Yes,
really.
it's supposed to be.
Because since you'd win that Big Brother, now from one pass goes. I was you they intentionally they allow the gbas happen, or not just say now the way people just be.
It seem be like say gbas gone me, I no fit escape am.
Yeah.
Sometimes I fit dey my own say today I'm not going to look for trouble.
Yeah.
But I just let me just catch cruise online. Cruise wey I go say make
They'll
I
take
catch.
you serious.
They will take am serious. Anyway.
So some of y'all look through lens out of those different cruise when they happen at different time. First, now when you post pictures, say you don't go do your body. Then people be like, hey. I know say in all of this, in as much as people they draw your leg, you still get your heart confirmed when they will say leave Fina for us. You get me?
Yes.
Because I know say this also they play a lot for your mental state. How you dey say, but why you just decide openly? Because some people they do one, they go hide down.
Is, I not do body.
So what do you do?
I just worked on my tummy.
You do body now? Tummy not be body.
No, body now. When people call they do body now, when they don't do nyash, can't do the come on, do surgery.
So what do you do personally?
Now those ones
when they use ugbebate, they roll your belly.
Yeah, waistline and
so you not ask for back?
No, I never do one.
Okay,
I never do.
Hold on. I never do. Be like statement say I plan to do.
So say guys like me growing up, I dey always tell myself say it get age wey pikin dey reach to do something. So I feel say I never reach. Like if I want to do now, not be Nigeria.
Okay. You know? Why Nigeria will not make sense?
Now why?
But so many of our guests do for Nigeria.
They do, but now why me I say if I want anything what they like do one wear, do one finish.
Okay, so Nigeria guests will not wear the one where they do for Nigeria.
It's okay, don't be saying not dey okay, but me I just feel say I never reach yet. When I reach, if I run now, then Nigeria go not say okay, person don't run.
So the one where you do now, they call structure. When they use struggling, when they use ugbebate press your belly.
Yeah, and things and stuff.
Okay, like how frequent you do to maintain that shape?
So, let's say
you take.
It take different sessions, but I no run and finish. But they say, give me you go come spend money reach. I'll call the ask myself.
It is expensive.
Not really, but imagine you have 10 sessions, even if not 10,000. Imagine you have 10 sessions, 20 sessions is a lot.
Okay. Yes. Oh, now why you just so poly? Because when I see that, I say some people don't do this in the kick quiet or just allow people assume.
I never do yash.
So if you see do the other one, you see come as an answer.
Yes, but no, when I do yash, they go no say I don't do yash. You cannot go hide down.
Yeah.
Now my money I take by so yeah. Easy, me they run that.
Okay. Now that's settled. Then another one where also happen now between you, your pal. To understand, I be. Even me when I see those two, I be like, as another person, I be like, oh no, I be this one. I just say the one is I take cash cruise. Yeah. Then when I can't see the back and forth from your dad, even your brother, I be like, okay, waiting really occur. When I don't settle right now.
Well, you not say na family now.
Yeah.
Not girl we go run and finish, we go sort them. So not be today person don't they see shege you get.
Yeah.
So for that one, the guy, the Mr. Ben who was from Vanguard, I see they promised that man say anywhere where I say I go break him head. Do you get? Because he did too much.
Okay.
Do you get? You don't try.
If I say go, they push your papa, go they talk.
You don't try get me. You not fit get me. You went as far as going to my dad. They push the man, they twist am question. Yes, my papa not go school. Do you get? So you not go understand some kind things.
Where you get,
they twist the thing, they twist am. What do they find? Do you get? So even when some things come out, we don't sort time. We say not be as the way the thing go. My papa no expect am to go like that. And even waiting in talk, not be as it talk am, because me the thing para me. I go house.
Hold on, I think this one it means to clarify some of those arrangements. So that's to say, your papa not talk some of all those statements when they talk to your papa. Now the person when go they use by force the interview am. Na he cook am.
Na he cook. Because the thing actually annoy me. He talk some. He actually said some things, but he not talk some things. Okay. You know me, I be a dog girl. I come from house where be say, you get one parable where Esako people they quick talk. They'll say ukpele elu not be aso, ukpele elu not say aso, ukpele elu not be okay. That is the day where I do good one, nobody go here.
The day when you do error,
do bad one, everywhere go they shake. Yes. So now waiting just really stop that period. That. Yes.
Okay, but you and your dad and your other family, muna they in good terms right now. They communicate. You see the Richard, they draw small thing. Because what I like, you be like the breadwinner of that family. Now you, but that support still they go.
Still, I not get choice. Someone want leave am for. Get choice. I see there. So even at some point that time, because I was very angry. I was angry for a very long time. What I did was, I not come they talk. Let me not lie. I not come they talk to my parents again. I don't take their calls. I don't do nothing. But trust me, they must not lack anything. Yes.
Because to honest, I think that narrative of that particular news be like, oh, you are a bad daughter, you win.
Yes.
You not even carry your family.
So now why I say the day way person do bad thing, end of the year. So actually, me and my dad get some things where we dey run that time. So now just that period, get waiting be near. Tell them no, it's too much. I can't be saying at that time they go interview. At that time they can't go interview, and when they talk, I know they picking call. Okay, so now waiting so be this. So at the run house for them for village, right? So now roofing caused the problem. The roofing went in like the expense level about 5.8 million. Not land same. Me, I don't have this money. I can say there are final roofs of like 3 million. So they are final roof you get. So
but you can't insist on that one.
I can't tell am say when on already roof house, let me know. I can't stop to the pick call. So now be that one. When people say I'm not the pick call. I can't stop to the pick the call. Do you get? Because I don't say when they.
But your papa know at least as a daughter to your dad. When you tell and say I know they financially capable to do A, you supposed to understand say you fit do B. Why?
Some of us they go through some shaking. Like sometimes you not go get choice. Sometimes you not get choice. Sometimes you even say no, say like say you don't focus. Sometimes you just gotta say yes to avoid plenty.
Yeah, and that one sometimes that yes now if it be like a turn in your flesh. Okay, but right now you don't do the roofing.
And they run on. I get choice.
The one where your papa say
no, they don't follow my will. No, because I stand my ground. No, I no go run now. So they don't follow my will. So we are going.
Okay, because last I think every of this arrangement lead to the reason why you release song. So now why I say move address and first, you get me. Then the other one where you almost make a lot of Nigerians drag you. Now the whole confusion around the renting of hair.
Okay.
I know so you don't try explain, but it be like say Nigerians don't agree hear you.
Yes.
Wetin really happen? Why you not return hair when you rent? And for Fina to rent hair, okay, now I'm not gonna lie, no few celebrities when they rented because sometimes they want to do a costume for either movie or a set or event. They don't see reason to buy that hair because not be waiting to continuously use. They rather your rent and return. I don't know if that was your case. So what really happened?
So this is what happened. First, before we move forward, I know be person where they brag. I know they show off. But I can sit down and say currently sitting in my wardrobe is about 30 hairs. The cheapest of my hair is 300 something 300,000.
30.
I have a hair of 1.5 million.
Thank God, not
those ones sit down, no cap. So this was what happened. So I did London that time, so I want to come back and they want to do Tribe of Judah, Auntie Funke film, the premiere. So now from that side I just pay because they say we feel any superhero and so me I want to do Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
So now from there I don't sort out everything. So my hairstylist come tell me say me I get gold hair something like this, long one. I can't learn. She can't say whether I get black hair, long one. Or if you take achieve that Wonder Woman kind of hairstyle. Now say I get, but my own are gold. I can't say no. Say Wonder Woman that have black hair. Now part of her these things.
Her
so
symbol
you need to
and
be black. Maybe we just finish her. I can't say I not get to.
Okay.
Cause say okay. So okay, what will happen is as he's going to call the hairstylist. That the hairstylist will bring hair and style it after the event. The person will take it. I say okay. Now I can't come back. I did Radisson Blue for Ikeja hotel. They come, they style my hair, blah blah blah. Now when that thing even bought, I know say the rent here. I swear to God, I don't know say.
So now be you pay the money to the girl.
Now me.
Now you send. Now you chat with the girl.
No, I pay. This is it. I pay my own stylist.
Okay.
But fashion stylist.
Yes. Now
and the fashion stylist now bring the hairstylist.
Hairstylist come. Okay.
Do you get so? Even when I come out for Big Brother house that time, hairstylists they come style
give you
hair
hair,
with their hair. So I never knew they rent at all.
Okay.
So now when the tea come boss, I come they hear say the boy rent am from person. So the matter come dey long and when the lady come dey drag me, I come
so why the girl not call her the stylist? He come dey call you
she
as
sleep panty 3 days now because at first I won't keep quiet, but you know Nigeria now when they hear anything about Fina they go
even till now I see somebody that's why you borrowed hair for your recent comment.
They go one die put when anything Fina. That's okay. What I go do? But because the thing was not really nice for my brand, even some of my brands come they
you said you lost some money.
That was during my dad's P. I lost a lot. Then this one too, same thing. And they complain. Cause what I go do? Now we follow up, track the woman number, even address that she bring. Not be there they stay. Now her number will come track, pick her up. As we reach station, I said, "Now you be this?" He say yes. Now sir, you don't see me before. He said no. Did I chat to you? He said no. Did I rent hair from you? No. Why were you not dragging
you
me?
out?
What did I do? So she do even when I saw she was heavily pregnant. She can't say she can't.
Now pregnant woman they drag.
I'm telling you, I can't ask her na pregnancy hormone. She was very pregnant. Even when they can't ask me, so okay, wait say I want because even them they tell me say charge her to court. Do this one.
Now wait till this.
I saw this one a process. I can't say wait till I can't say just apology. She go do video. Can't they beg me saying she don't want make her face show blah blah blah. Now her mouth with video. Now her mouth.
But when she they call you out, she not look or
no hide. Now say well what to do but now people wey dey actually fit think say of all things say me fit no fit buy hair like wetin be hair.
I feel say okay maybe people just use that as opportunity even though say they know say if you buy the hair they use that as opportunity to take drag you because everybody not feel like you. The same way you get people when like you, say we get people when not really like you, so they look for every opportunity to just drag you. So now after she do that apology,
I just died the matter.
So she not pay money for damage of the losses when you
and
get.
And guess what? Not be only post. She go out. She even go police. She arrest me for good.
Yeah, when you come to talk, say you not go police station.
Come my house. They come my house today with invite. I did on set even when they call me. I think that's how they shoot. I reach house in the night. My sister bring the invite. Say see invite police bring you. Say they come say na the next day 10 a.m. That's why. Now they go that life once I know they go. As I see the case where people say I need to go. Now say okay now wait till we go do. Be say me go carry this matter go upper place. Now why me not go down?
So you can't go party.
Me the invite and come.
And last now, the hair how long it take you to take return and back?
So the event was on a Sunday.
Yeah.
On Tuesday na Ada Omodadi own as for Auntie Mercy Aigbe.
Yeah.
Then be on Tuesday on. Yeah. So on Monday in the morning they come out and so my PA na like I'm not gonna get business with the hair again. But I know say the hair left my house on Tuesday but she rejected the hair. And she rejected the hair for Tuesday. The bridal.
Was the hair in bad condition?
It wasn't, no. She rejected and said 24 hours don't pass.
So she would be they look for extra money.
Yes, extra money. And me at this point, I don't dey say they rent. And me don't dey vex. Say why will you bring a rented wig to me? Yeah. That's what you should have told me. I go buy the hair.
Yeah. Now I see the intention why she come outside. Because I don't dey try find out what go make her come outside come cry. So for her mind now, the hair did an extra deal and I don't want pay. So make her shout, make her disgrace. So not be say you can't pay for the money last line.
I'm not even pay. No. She collect the hair. That time when police come my house when not the house, they take the hair.
Oh, they carry the hair from out.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's one settled right now. No more you all they do small. We cannot say all this is journey, all the talk on top of your latest single. Then The one wey happen recently when Bobozi everywhere. First of all, congratulations on top your podcast when you do nice one because at every given point there's also always something to talk about. If like say you dey help us create avenue for us to let out our frustration. You get. So inside your podcast, you say one guy waka come meet you. Offer you 5 million naira. Say he wan deal with you. Say instantly as you look the guy, look your manager. Now you tell the guy, what's wrong with you? Call your account. I will give you. I don't lie. Where I did, I check my account. I say, I wish I was this guy. The way I for rush type the account number, and I hope I forgive you. So I'm like, we see the alert. You get. So Nigeria has not believed that your story for a very, in fact, even till now. But me on one hand, every time something happens, I always try to think. Oh, even though say my own, I say, not be say you really plan to send on the 5 million. You just want to let say,
get them. Not be I go give her 5 million.
Me, you get. So me, that's you just trying to tell say you not use that money to deal with me.
Yes.
And I think what most Nigerians also understand because see all of us, not be all of us they go club.
Yeah.
It gets sometimes with your day club. Somebody will just send drink come meet you. Sometimes they drink now 500 million.
Yes.
Already you as a babe don't know what that guy they look for.
Talk. Yes. Now even the guy by himself go change table.
He go change table instantly. Meow. So when that conversation come, all those things come my mind. Say, oh, there's a possibility. Say,
so this were my reason for actually behaving like that. Yeah. So one, I know they do a shower.
You know they do runs. You know they do use runs because we did radio.
I know they do runs. That is one thing.
You feel like I put for chest. Say you know say runs. There are different type of runs. You get.
I feel sick.
You get the one where they go buy car like for you. They'll date you for 1 month.
No, I don't do that.
Yeah.
I know they do all those ones.
Okay.
If I want date person, we go date.
Okay.
We go friend. And as a matter of fact, I never really date rich guy before. I never date guy we get past me once.
Since you come up for Big Brother, because you don't really get like that before. Fina, you don't really get for you enter Big Brother. Since you enter Big Brother.
Since I start to when I don't really get. I was director of socials SUG in my school.
And now you just school money.
I was class rep. And they get textbook money. Man, till they sell food, do they sell food? So and they get small bread. Yes, not at least to follow up before. Okay. They try, they also they make hair, they get money for small.
Okay.
So even my previous relationship, I've always been the one
supporting the guy.
Financially.
I don't get the trap when it comes to supporting their boyfriend.
I never really chop man money. Man never really say, oh, I buy you this one. Oh, I dash you this one. Where are they date? I never really see him.
So yeah, you been explain the whole club scenario. So
yes. So the guy just and plus I not be girl wey be say even if we dey talk, if I not dey attracted to guy, normal, I not even do anything with you. So and then this guy just randomly walked up to me and was like, if he can spend the night with me and give me 5 million naira, bro. Plus one. Imagine even when I never be Fina, even when I never win the show, normally, even with that in 5 million for not agree because I go feel say you want use me. Look my. I swear to God.
You sure?
Yes, because when you want give me 5 million, you want kill me, you be rich. Are you a ritualist? What's special about me that you want to give me 5 million?
Yeah.
Plus, I can't say and say even my account balance, I get within past 5 million. Do you get? Yeah. So I just look my manager and like just call your account number. The guy looked at me and said, I'm sorry.
You can't apologize.
Yeah, tell me I'm sorry, he left. Because even with the way I did it, he knew, okay, like the guy don't vex. Yes. I don't know what I want to tell him. Because Nigerians come all of them they shout,
they big deal out of him.
Now, if to say I still follow that boy now, still go house.
The boy can't take you. Can't go post you.
You get all of them go say, oh, she cannot reject. What is 5 million naira that she cannot reject? So I don't say and say Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians are their sense get in the shape.
No, not insult us.
Because now then go
we are frustrated. The government is frustrated. So thank God we have Fina. We can pour our frustration on Fina. So just thank God say they do us good thing. So that what happen? You don't see the guy since then, ever since then.
I don't not be person why. Not be person why I feel easily even meet because that day I did Abuja, I did club, so it was like they knew I was coming, so the club full that day. Do you get? So
I think for somebody to do something like that, maybe you don't try to 1 or 2 guests or even one of person in your life and it work. You get because for them to get that boldness to say like
it was because when you even come a picture and take picture, I'm your fan. I'm like, oh, thank you very much. And the next time I'm like, come on now.
Wow. Anyway, so now don't look at. There are a lot of things to talk about which they don't drag you for, but more not talk about those ones right now. I think all these and many more other events when we say it make Nigeria, continuously they talk about you, and in as much as if he gets a little bit of disadvantage. I think you also get positive advantage because it always make you day news every single day. And I think now with the brand they work on.
And that's the point. Like that is why I'm here. You know, the talking. You know,
now you carry come here right now.
Carry me come here.
So first of all, before I ask why you enter studio go record song, which I already know, I want to just ask. At any point you don't feel depressed on top of this dragging, all this call out, like how you the battle and how you take the pass through.
It was just once, which is that my dad's pee.
Yeah, that was
that
heavy.
one don't touch me. Where we say I was going through a lot.
Yeah.
Like that period was not funny at all. My BP the high, like it was not funny. Every other one they don't drag me. That my dad own.
It touched you.
It touched me. Only that one.
I think because I'm family.
Me. Yes. Now only that one don't really touch me mentally. When I know say even me, I know say I not do okay.
Okay, at that time. Yeah. But you say true now why you there right now. Okay, so at what point Fina decide to say, you know what, may I still talk my own talk. Enter studio. Wetin be that thing when motivate you? Wetin ginger you?
So this is the thing,
yeah.
So at first, when I realized I want to do entertainment, when I did Auchi, I started off as a dancer. So I be the dance. So from dance not dey pay. I said I go do. I do music. So I get songs from 2015.
Serious?
Yes. I did music. I have old songs. I did music, but music not dey pay. And I be dey try music not dey pay. I said I go. I can't enter film. When I dey do film, I go audition. I go even pass audition like this. They'll tell me say if you not lash, you not go collect role.
Oh no, talker, no, the talker come outside. So at that time when you dey go for movie audition, even when they pick you to act based on your talent, they also tell you say make you open leg.
Yes. So even a lot.
So you not open leg at anyone.
I can't try.
So you not at any movie.
So then I not at any movie. That's why I say I.
You be like well brought up girl. Small.
Yes, I just kind of. So the thing with me, right? I not just they get some things I know they like those kind of things I know they like because they're nonsense to me.
But how many people you want open leg for?
That was what I said. How many people do you get? So when I said the thing they stress me and I really want art. Now that time now take enter comedy because I could easily use my phone to video. So it can't get where the difficulty can't reach. You get that time for out. You get one boy where they help me do the video. You can't get the stress. Sometimes I'll call and tell me I'm busy today. Blah blah blah. Now I change my style to where they hold the phone. I go do uncompleted building hands. Great. So everything I have been doing na process. Now why I change I can't do that stuff. I go hold the phone by myself. I will talk with someone, talk, I'll post them like that. So now I can't enter Big Brother. And as I enter Big Brother, I say okay, I've always wanted to act. That's sure. The next thing I go do my own like this.
I see a clip of say you the art for Isakaba, right?
Yes, Isakaba returns.
The returns, we not round off shooting already. We don't shoot and
finish.
Oh, you play.
Zazin, my character for Isakaba that day.
Not there.
Very
when that movie now this year you go come outside.
I'm sure.
Lawrence, Maswabi.
Yeah, Lancelot.
Lancelot. I'm probably that to senior man. Okay.
Yes, nine director.
Okay.
Yeah. So now so I can't they do the acting and plus so at the hype I can't also the hype. So when I they do the comedy I can't the hype join. So I even go Abuja now hype I take sustain myself.
That's after school.
After school I don't graduate 2019. I don't graduate 2019. Now I can't just day out see they do the thing small from there. Now say okay now make I enter Abuja I begin they do the hyping for Big Brother click. Now as Big Brother click for me I say now mo go back go they touch down all those things.
All those things like we do before you know the arts now you see. I'm not sure you they do hyping officially.
Yes, I do. I still do hyping officially. So the difference now is so before when I never be nobody. That time for Abuja they enter 5-6 club in night.
Just give me mic.
Yes, as I enter they give me mic. As they give me I do the experiment I pack them next club.
Meow.
6 club before daybreak.
Wow.
I go
but
go
now
out. So now it's no longer like that. Now I go they wait till.
May they invite you.
May they invite me. Do you get? And even me, I actually wish I have like a standby club where I can be coming in, even if it's once or twice a week.
But that one not supposed hard for you. There are a lot of clubs go they open for such partnership.
Right.
But then now the offer go come matter.
Do you get? So now that one, I be feel okay. I go feel wrong. So at some point, I want they do hype sound. So I be don't even they record some hype sound, but. I can't check look say hype now something be say as you don't they hype like me if I they hype now them vibes they enter my head that they drop them. But if I dey studio say I want to record hype sound I don't usually feel it.
Okay.
I don't they feel them. So now I say, okay, now instead of me to record hype sound, since I already do music and not just music, so as I said, this talk is not even my pattern. I just do it because of pain too much wahala. So I actually sound more patois
on top these particular new singles.
This like if I'm dropping next now, all other of my songs are all patois.
Okay.
So yes. And so
now so it happen. Okay. So because you're the care, we'll play the song very very soon. You make mention of something when you just make my hair go now. Lucky. I think for the last 6 or even 7 years, Auchi Poly don't bring stars enter the country Nigeria. Why even see the very conversation, because I grew up in Edo State, was born in Ubiaja, spent time. Even the Auchi said, we they do show me and Eric got that time fame that year. We they do show for Ekpoma.
I know you that time now.
You sure say you know me?
I know you.
You sure?
Yeah.
If you know Q Extra, you go know me.
I know Q Extra. My guy.
So Q Extra now one of my realest guys. I be the first person when I shoot my video for I think 2015 when I did by 2016 we can shoot time for Lagos. So from Q Extra. Now Sabi Victor Edi.
Yes.
And Victor Edi come from Auchi. It's scatter everywhere.
Yes.
Then you come, you scatter everywhere. There are other some guys which I never make mention now. Then the reset when you just make everywhere Bobozina and Ashali Poppy.
Yes.
From the same Auchi. So low-key, I think we need to give some credit to Auchi Poly.
Yes.
In as much as they'll say, Poly, what they call OND and BHND, not be the same with BSC, but bro, you know, if you compare yourself.
Now, they use that Auchi play.
No, they get talent. When I mean they get talent, and I remember one studio when they go record center, we can't do show for back of the school. If you hear boys, boys they bust.
Yes.
You go, just the same way Uniben be you get. So big shout out to Auchi. If you graduate from Auchi right now, you see that Auchi. You did the right school. Your talent they come. But like, if you not be like Victor Edi, you go be like Fina. If you not be like Fina, you go be like Shali Poppy. You get me one of those two. So we'll get to enjoy this song right now. Talk. This is a brand new single. Yes, from Fina. I be listening from Pins. How long it take you to record this song? Who you work with for this song?
So I worked with Barry Tiga. I worked with producer UX.
Okay.
Yeah, so that day we just did studio. I said, what we go dey do now? That day they drag me. So that day they drag me. So that day I be there TikTok live for one day. I get running nose. So I be they go bedroom, come back
to TikTok.
You see how they tire me now? Carry serviettes near me. So if I want blow the nose, I will go. Only for me to finish life, I come back. They say I dey on coke. Say I dey do cocaine. Say my eye dey red, my nose dey red. I said, what you call be this? So that day the talk they go on seriously. That's the guy they were finish me. I say leave them, make them talk.
Okay.
That's what we just
the whole idea take from the song. So what's that? I hear you they talk about now. Say you want to do part 1, you want to drop next single. Plans all did that one already.
The thing, so when I drop this talk, everybody I be they see comment like, oh, choose one thing, you be this, you be that. So I'm proud to say I'm a multi-talented being. As I've been doing plenty things. And jack of all trade, master of none. Me, I be jack of all trade, master of all.
You sure?
I'm telling you. So so I did look up to Jennifer Lopez, Keke Palmer. So Keke Palmer, she acts. Keke Palmer, they sing.
You do music.
She do podcasts. She do everything. Angelina Jolie, same thing. Jennifer Lopez. She they act. She they sing. So I they ask myself. So why not? So now Nigeria be the only place where we say if you are acting, just they act, they go. If you are singing, just they, I'm not actually singing to come and top charts. I'm not actually singing to do. If you check, I'm not even promoting this song, but guess what? It's doing well. I'm not even pushing. So I'm not singing to. I just want to do everything that I feel like I want to do. So if you go, thank God.
But most time Nigerians they feel say if you don't occupy one space, why you want to go take another space from another house?
The cloud, it's wide. It's too large. Space too much. If you want fly. Fly
anywhere you want fly.
Yes.
So we'll get more singles from you. You plan to do any collabo? If anybody, you want to collabo with anybody? So who you will do collabo?
So the next song I'm dropping, we're already talking. I'm planning on bringing Cynthia Morgan on it.
That go nice. That another of our sister.
Yes.
It go nice. Yeah. That go actually nice.
Yes.
But she they give you because she be like who don't retire from musical.
Yes, but I'm not gonna agree for her. I not gonna agree so because she's my mama. We they talk once. I I know she don't tell me say she, but mommy I not go grief for
she must jump up. Apart from Cynthia Morgan, which other person?
So if I'm not doing Cynthia Morgan, the truth is I don't actually think of any other person. I never think of any other person
for now.
Okay. So my major target is Cynthia Morgan. Yes.
But what about your fellow Big Brother Naija housemate, even for your season and not for your season, like then Lekon, then White Money, then
so Lekon, I'm not sure I don't see Lekon once.
Oh, you never see him?
I'm not sure.
But our house not far from each other. I was
that's why I hear.
So I was with Christy yesterday. I know now.
Yes, no, that's why I hear. Now even Christy tell me. I don't know. Now Christy tell me what she was like. Do you know Lekon live on not this far. Area? Yeah. I'm like, really? I don't know. So I've not met him before.
Since then?
Yes. Wow. I've not met him before.
But any means of collabo fit happen? If that opportunity increases,
yes. If I meet him, if he's cool, say we BBN with our out there our body. So if I meet him and he's calm, why not? As long as even then, why not? If I even feel meet him, I go the pest time well. I've not.
What about White Money?
No, White Money. Me and White Money they talk. Yes.
Why not do something together? Then it go make sense.
So White Money, I actually never think of White Money. Okay.
No, because say somehow these they bring kind of like synergy between the different housemates of Big Brother, because it could also be like a reach out to each other, because I know say most of them get with the battle with, especially
so a lot of Big Brother housemates they do music, a lot of them do music, but my own kind of music. I'm sure this talk actually sound very normal. When you hear my other sounds, it sound very different. So this one are more of talk, like we just be the vibe. So even everybody does music, but them get focused. They want push me. I'm not the.
You just do for the enjoyment.
For the enjoyment.
But you like work with group. I know say you and Groovy now they relate. Now. You and Groovy. Abi?
Well, relates. Not really. Not really. Now,
but you get friends of friends.
Hi. So not really.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, so right now, before I leave you, I know say you certainly get all that ready. Whether you want to go on TikTok, maybe for drag you, or they go certainly drag you after this interview. I just want right now, because I notice it from your yarns when you talk about men, you talk something like you never date anybody when it get past you. So I want, since you don't move to Lagos, only stay Lagos right now, how your relationship life don't be?
So because Groovy was my last person I was with, so I never really did relationship like proper.
What it really happened? Because Groovy na my guy. If I almost all Big Brother people na my people, so sometimes I get to really ask. Waiting really saw for that relationship.
We get plenty things be there ground. Do you get from family to social media?
Wait, your family are being in family?
In family, do you get to?
They not see you as somebody when if you date or when if you stay with?
I don't know. Like the thing, I don't just know, but I don't really care. Do you get? I don't really care, but
now we stay together after this thing for a while.
No,
not stay together.
We stay together. No, I get my house. You get in house.
Okay.
So yes, so that then social media that time. If you know how they always do online, you go they complain. In fans go they send out things. Go they look at what this one said. Look at what this one did.
But that's the work of a boyfriend now. To guide you.
No, this wasn't guide. He wasn't guiding me. He was rather. I felt he was always looking for an excuse to leave. Yes, it wasn't a guide. There's a difference between guide of this one down. This one go calm down. They read comments. Say, look at what this person said. Look, like bro.
Yeah, because I think those you do out of care. Sometimes it be like my wife now, especially when this way what people they drag me online some few times. She go through, go say no. Or I block this person. You know what? Don't be saying this again.
No, it's not even stuffs like that. These are stuffs like Fina is the one holding him back. You go say, look at what this person said. He should leave Fina. Without her, he can stand alone. He can do better. He will show me. Fina, do you get? So it wasn't like he was looking. No, when you're looking out for me, I will know.
So you they look for things when they affect and when people they look down.
Yeah. So we actually I never really talk about waiting cause our this thing. But it was too much. I was even telling him that this thing at the market. That's what it's supposed to be. Do you get? So I just felt maybe I was too much for him at some point. I felt I was too much. Like too much as in I was too hot-headed. Not like to him, because when I'm with him, they be like who they pour ice block. Do you get? I don't know. I just feel like it was too much
for him.
Yes.
Now he make. So since then, after Groovy, you never date anybody.
Yes.
So how you continue to survive for Lagos? Not tell me saying a machine and toys.
No, I don't do toys. I don't do toys.
So you dey vibe once.
Yes. Come on. I get guys for my phone normal.
When you feel your call, order.
See pride. Do you get? Yeah. I don't. And guess what? It's not like it's no. I dey work and they always. They know they even get time. So anytime I just get person and say what's up, come see.
You're wrong. Come. Fina, you are living the man's life.
Like that's the point. That's the point. That was why I said. I said I for be man. I for come life as man. Yes, and I don't even have time to be listening to plenty talks.
Talk anymore. Like that.
And I never did lucky with relationship. All my relationships are always, and they always want invest in my relationship. And they always want get into the relationship. But unfortunately, the guys that they always deal with. The issues they always did. Like the previous one was a Muslim. Now because of religion,
now make una separate.
They even they with the girl self. I did now picture I can't they see for social media.
For real.
So I've not really been lucky. I don't go through shaggies. So at this, I don't want to say I be feminist. Don't be say I be feminist. Don't be say I hate.
You don't say you get where men go break your ass. You go become feminist. That one not be true feminist. No. Now verse feminist, so inspire feminist.
That way they do me now say like this now. I just feel if guy they toast me now, as we they talk, I don't estray you. I don't. You
don't feel say you do too much.
I feel I'm doing.
So you need to also step back a little bit. I have
tried stepping back several times. Okay, the last time I stepped back for one guy.
Yeah.
Never reached 3 days. He tell me say want do transfer of 400k to him. Mama, make me help her do transfer. I don't get. Now look at be that. Don't play me local now.
No. In as much I can understand and understand things like that they happen. Fina. There are sometimes relationship people need to understand. Say, yes, maybe not the way we did built as an African.
Yes.
Say now man supposed to do those things, don't be woman. Yes. But guess what? Women they actually do. I tell you, I know many Edo girls. Even at a point, you get one when sustain me for like 2-3 years. You get me.
That is it.
Una they try, but most men not talking because of pride. Yes. You get me. So even when guys reach out and say I need some setting, if you just be genuine,
it was too early.
How long gonna be done now?
Like 4 days. Do you get like 4-5 days?
Even babes said they wait 1 week before you ask for money.
The billing too quick come. Now I say no, you want play me local. I even tell him, I say okay, since your network is not working, why don't you just chill till evening and try again? Yeah. Say no, she need to tell you. I say no, nah.
So that's why you not meow.
I just stopped talking to him and
okay.
I meet one other one. That one talk say I go they post them. I say, are you the one to tell me to post you? I'll post you. Not be if love done the sweet you. So I just they meet nonsense since like it's crazy, but
no, don't call them nonsense. Una not jail. Which of you I wish you could post. So in one day public,
so
okay,
one day
popular.
Immediately I just say that one they find fame, and that type easily blackmail me just to get fame.
But there are people like you who signed it to pretend to be in relationship just to carry some fame, give some guys or even some women.
I did that. Like
with a kid, signature artist.
No kid.
So you are a signature artist now? Now art now the art now.
No, that's in a music video. Like music. Just to promote his song.
Because the way when I come they form romantic, come they hold each other neck. They want press your neck, press your. So no, but when I don't like say when I do in relationship,
Nigerians still they assume.
What can I say? It's me. I know they go for smaller boys. I just say like. So what's your type of man for those when they listen right now?
So well, I like them tall.
Okay.
I think that was a qualification I got with Groovy.
With Groovy, yeah. Yes. Okay.
I like my men very tall.
Very tall. Tall in where and where?
Tall in both there and there.
Okay.
You know.
We need to know where more now to apply.
Yeah. So I like my men tall, caring, dark.
Oh, dark too.
Chocolate. Yes.
Okay. But Groovy be not dark now.
As I said, that was the only thing I said. Okay, yes. Even like they talk on for house, then I say I don't my respect, but you are tall.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are caring. Guy will not to the talk. In fact, not they talk. Leave me, just leave me. Make me the craze they go. Yes. I don't like when opposite. I am like this and the man is no. So also Groovy had that. So he was very calm too. Yes. So calm guys, you know.
But any possibility of you and Groovy, they kind of like for the future, you know. As long as family got involved, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to be in a place where nobody likes me.
Do you get it? I don't want to be, especially when mama. When mama, you know, say even as an adult girl, if I don't mama say not like you, they not like you.
Guy won't be, yeah.
So I'm seeing it the same way as them.
Okay.
Do you get? So yes.
Oh. Okay. Now I see why it be like that, based on family.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, so please, if you match any of Fina preference, and you need to still, you not mind, and you hold bread already. So now you send 5 million now.
At this point, so before
life.
they talk, say the guy no need get money, no need. I don't care. Just at this point, I actually want a rich guy, but I want a rich guy not give me your money.
Okay, but may you get your own money, may you not go carry your body.
Because anytime where I date guy, you don't need to ask me. Honestly, I don't want to. I don't want to wait. But as long as I date soon, I don't know say you not to get. From my own heart, I dey like do things. Like I'll just be doing things.
You like helping the less
privileged. Yes, I
dey
buy. So I dey like do things naturally for my man. So I want to be with somebody where I know say is able and capable. So even if I want buy now, I don't want me the thing they be like burden
on you. Okay.
Yeah. So now I don't want poor guy.
You may need to come
just be rich, but I don't need your money.
But you, this will be the last question I go ask, because it's like we talk, we yarn actually. So if it happens, say this guy when you just talk about he whole bread and he happens say, Fina, hope you don't mind being my another wife. That possibility.
No, I'm not going to marry second though.
Why?
I'm not the enter. I'm not going to destroy anybody's home, and I don't want to be the cause for another woman's pain.
Hello, Regina, not destroy anyone. Many other women when they become second, third wife or another wife, they're not destroy any home.
I don't know about them, but me, I don't want to be the reason. I don't want to cause another woman pain. It's just like if my boyfriend they cheat on me. Out of pain, I feel just want to know far who you want. You need to pick one person. If they give you difficulty, I'll walk away. I'm not
so
like
you not
that.
Be yourself when you see yourself for that kind of polygamy situation. No. You just want your own, maybe your own.
Yes. So if God can't run and say nobody marry me, I go adopt children. I don't even they plan them. I don't talk. Say
how would you be when you want to plan to? What is it?
So no, at age, anything make me nap 29, 30 now. I'm done. I don't want
so for those who don't know, Fina say you be waiting.
I'm 26.
Your real age, will not be your outside age.
I know they fake age. I'm 26 now. Okay. I'll be 27 this year.
Which month?
June 2nd. I'll be 27. Okay. So anything make me nap 29, 30. I never marry. I not get man safe.
Yeah.
Like no worry. I don't get comfortable. I'll just start getting children in.
So you rather adopt Peking than become another wife or another man?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Wow, that's a heavy stand. Okay. Anyway, so we're not a young with finance since then. She got a new single right now. Where did you get your singles from?
It's on Apple Music, on all platforms.
On all platforms.
Spotify, Audiomack, everywhere. It's everywhere.
It's also they boom play now.
Yeah,
I believe so.
Play, I think.
So if you want streamer right now, go check out Fina. Now the same spelling of name,
Fina,
right?
Phyna.
Then talk. Now be title. Now the only jam when they online by you now. Yeah. But you plan to drop more.
But not be only with the jam with the.
When they online.
Now like 4, I be 5.
But
the rest now hype sound.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Then also if you happen to say somebody want feature you, is it possible?
Yeah, it's very possible. I mean, see what I do for Don Dada now. You didn't want.
Yeah. Not be lying. Nice one, top Don Dada.
Yes. Goya Meno.
Yeah. Nice one.
Yeah.
If like that one see Johnny. His wife said, "Bless, I'll go back to this music."
I'm telling you, that's almost 3 million views. I said, no, make I check this party again.
Okay, now go check out Fina Jam. Then on top of your social media platforms, your handle now waiting.
My handle for Instagram now unusual Fina. My handle for TikTok now unusual_Fina, and my handle for Snapchat now unusual Fina, and for Twitter unusual Fina.
When last you go Edo State?
I never go Edo State
since you win, Big Brother.
Since I win. I come off for Edo State 2022 around July. Around February.
Before the
house.
Yeah. Yes. So since they never go back.
I never go.
So when they come, I be there. How you come to the city?
My parents they Lagos. So now Lagos they born my mama. My papa na Lagos him grow come Lagos at age 9 or so. Na Lagos him, so they dey Lagos full time. Na only me not even dey with them. Na why my Yoruba not too.
Okay, I see.
My younger ones, everybody they dey Lagos.
They dey Lagos. Oh, nice one. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. We dey wish you more success on top your already successful story. Musically, you don't say for movie Isakaba the return, right?
Isakaba return.
You dey inside.
I dey inside.
Apart from that, which other movie we need to wait for? Check it out.
I dey forget names, so plenty
when you don't out on top. Now we go keep our finger crossed while those movies come outside, then we'll get to check out your doings on top those movies. Yes. But once again, thank you for stopping by. We wish you success. Now enjoy this song one more time. Talk.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.